but only 9 million came back that day. 9 million ducks with feathers fine splashed in a pond that smelled like pine. Mother duck cried, quack, quack, it's time, but only 8 million towed the line. 8 million ducks flew through the breeze, souped by flowers and buzzing bees. Quack, quack, called Mom through the maple trees, but just 7 million answered please. 7 million ducks found tasty treats, munching on worms and crunchy beets. Mother said, come back, my sweets. Only 6 million tapped their feet. 6 million ducks went swimming far, racing a boat and a leaping gar. Quack, quack rang out, here we are, but just 5 million saw her star. 5 million ducks danced in the rain, dripping feathers down the lane. Quack, quack called Mom once again. Only 4 million boarded the train. 4 million ducks with shiny bills slid down snowy winter hills. Quack, quack, said Mom with frills, but just 3 million came from the chills. 3 million ducks on a big balloon floated high by the light of the moon. Quack, quack, cried Mom, come home soon. Only 2 million hummed her tune. 2 million ducks on a desert dune danced to the beat of a ducky tune. Quack, quack, yelled Mom at noon. Only 1 million came home in June. 1 million ducks in a single file waddled back with a weary smile. Quack, quack, called Mom all the while, but not one duck stayed for a mile. Then Mother Duck sat down to cry underneath a silver sky. But wait, a quack, then 10, then more. All 10 million waddled through the door. 10 million ducks, they came back strong, waddling home in a ducky's song. Over the hill they laughed all day, and now they're here and home to stay.